the Amazon Echo Dot with clock. It's just arrived. I was one of the pre-orders on trying this out. I have no idea what made me decide to buy it. I have one in the studio already. I like the fact this one had a clock, so it meant I didn't have to turn around too much to look at the one on the wall. That's a pretty lame excuse for buying one. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not going to bore you too much with the packaging. We will whiz through this. Everything, as far as I know, is exactly the same as the current Mark III Echo Dot. The only difference being is that it has this little LED clock. Everything else in the box is as you would expect. Power supply, instructions. If you're looking at one of these, you probably know what they do. So pull the wrapper off, take that out, and there we have it. Yeah, exactly the same as the one I got right now. Hopefully when I turn it on, it will do something a little bit different. Hey Alexa, what time is it?
Can you not see my new display? Why did you buy me?
Oh, I don't know. You get my point, I'm only just messing around, but this is exactly the same as the last one, apart from a couple of features that the LED screen gives you. The main one is obviously the clock, but it also gives you a couple of options with regards to when you ask Alexa to do something. If you ask for a timer, you'll now be able to see the countdown, which is quite nice. And also if you ask about the weather, it'll also display the temperature on that screen as well. And apparently it also is self-adjusting, so it's got a little light sensor built in. If it's too bright or too dark, it'll raise the brightness of the LED itself. Is it worth £60 over what is currently only £25 without the clock for the exact same thing? Probably not, it depends. If you want the clock on there, and I'm pretty sure these will just supersede the old ones anyway, then it's worth it. It's a nice little touch. It's nothing really much more than that, if I'm honest. But what will firmly be in the tick column for these is great sound and functionality. The sound quality on these is the best out of all the previous models, and it's really quite something. It's hard in here because I've got nice speaker set up, but even if I just come in, tell it to play something, and I don't have it set up through the computer and through my speaker system, it's still really nice sound. And I have them at home, we use them in the lounge and things, and the sound quality is really nice. So it kind of gets a thumbs up, but in my opinion, it's not really worth the extra money. Other than that, as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm Matt from Roto, and I'll catch you in the next one.